Welcome to Top-Notch Crochet Word. They say crochet is just yarn and needles, but wait till you see what it can do to your home. Crochet design isn't just something your grandma used to make. It's art, it's texture, and it's comfort all wrapped in one. A single handmade piece can completely change how a room feels. Whether it's a cozy throw blanket on your couch, a soft pillow cover on your bed, or a colorful wall hanging in your hallway, crochet adds warmth and character that store-bought decor just can't give. Each stitch carries time, care, and a human touch. That's why every crochet piece feels personal. You can't mass-produce that kind of beauty. When you look at crochet home decor, you're not just seeing color and pattern, you're seeing creativity, patience, and passion woven together. But here's the problem. A lot of people think crochet decor is fragile or high maintenance. Some believe it's too old-fashioned, while others worry it'll fall apart after one wash. The truth? Crochet designs can last for years, even generations, when you treat them right. Let's break that myth. Crochet is actually tougher than it looks. The yarn may feel soft, but those stitches are tight, structured, and strong. What matters most is how you care for it. Always think of crochet like fabric art, not just another piece of cloth. If you wash it the wrong way, it can stretch or lose shape. So here's what to do. Hand wash gently using mild soap and cold water. Avoid bleach or hot water. They weaken the fibers and fade the colors. When you rinse, don't twist or squeeze. Just press the water out gently with your hands. To dry, lay it flat on a clean towel and reshape it while it's damp. Never hang crochet pieces to dry because gravity can pull them out of shape. Once it's dry, it'll keep its form perfectly, soft, clean, and ready to use again. If you notice dust settling on your wall hangings or table runners, use a soft brush or a lint roller. For wrinkles, a handheld steamer does the job. Just don't press it directly onto the yarn. And when you're not using your crochet items, store them folded in cotton or linen bags. Avoid plastic because it traps moisture and causes musty smells. Cotton bags let your crochet breathe and stay fresh. When you care for your crochet like this, something amazing happens. It gets better with time. The fibers soften, the texture feels richer, and the colors stay bright. Crochet becomes more than decoration. It turns into part of your home's story, something that feels familiar and comforting every time you see it. That's the beauty of crochet decor. It's not disposable,